Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. What I got here today, guys, is something that the shinryseries wants. It's a very special project because he's one of the biggest sponsors that I got. Thanks to him, 3D printing is here, and a lot of other projects, foam projects, a lot of everything is coming your way thanks to him. I would suggest if you could, guys, go give it a like, subscribe to his channel, his Instagram, follow him. Just please give it a look to his book, download the first pages, give it a read. You guys will love it, I promise. So I was just saying, I got something special for him. We're actually gonna do a 3D print red lantern for him. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to make sure the visibility with the camera is good because I'm by myself. So this is the first part. I'm learning how to do this. This part was around 25 to 30 hours. The mistake I made, I placed it like this. I had to cut the whole file. The whole round part of the lantern was like this, and I had to cut it and place it like this. It was a big mistake because it took too much filament and it took a long time. For the next time, I'm just gonna print it like this because it prints this whole thing here, and then this goes on top, and you save a lot more filament. So I just want you guys to see this is the beginning of the project. We got a lot of projects with him coming up, and other parts of the lantern. I forgot how this is gonna go, guys. It's just I gotta look at the file. And this is the top of the lantern, so this is how it's gonna go. I think something like this. Wait. Sorry, guys. I'm excited, so I'm just trying to something like this. This is how it looks. I just gotta do 3 more prints for it, and it'll be perfect. I just want to show you guys. Then after this, we're gonna send it to Legendary Toys. He's gonna do that gluing, adding lights, and doing the whole paint job. Hopefully you guys stay tuned with us. We got so much more coming. So let me know what you guys think. But overall, this PLA is really good. I use Sunlu PLA. It's the only one I use so far, but I like it. It works perfectly fine with the Ender 3 Pro. It hasn't given me any issues. It sticks to the bed really good, and just I'm learning. This is the couple months I have it. I've done a lot of mistakes. I wasted a lot of filament, sadly. But hopefully things start getting better, looking better, and making it easier. And now I stop wasting filament. So just wanted to show you this, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember, go check out the shinryseries Instagram. Follow him. Check out his book, guys. You will love it, I promise. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good one. Peace.